fleet managers. Leveraging technology can slash your fuel costs. Want to know more? Download our guide for 80 proven strategies and tech solutions designed to maximize your fuel efficiency.
This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights a freight planning and simulation system, expedited roadside management, new AI solutions, and a rechargeable tracker. Welcome to CCJ Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker-Jones. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Freight intelligence company Optimus recently offered a preview of its commercial network twin, a planning and simulation system that is currently under development. The Freight Intelligence Graph represents the movement of goods through the physical economy and evaluates how disruptions and structural changes could reshape the networks that support it. It is being developed alongside Optimus' proprietary Freight Data Foundation, which maps nearly 400,000 distinct facility locations and more than 500,000 distinct directional city-to-city corridor combinations, all tied to observed freight activity. The platform is powered by Optimus Hyper-Predictors, which are specialized machine learning models designed to work together to fill gaps between observed freight data. The Hyper-Predictors combine a directed model of the U.S. highway system with shipment history, economic activity, geography, commodities, seasonality, weather, and network behavior to estimate unseen freight flows and forecast where loads, shipper demand, and capacity pressure are most likely to emerge next. Continental Tire has partnered with roadside management platform myMechanic to connect fleets, Continental's dealer network, and roadside service providers through a single digital workflow from initial service requests through dispatch, status updates, documentation, and reporting. The partnership aims to reduce manual follow-up and disconnected information that slow roadside breakdowns, which have an industry average resolution time of 4 to 4.5 hours, costing between $450 and $750 per day. Trimble has rolled out a new AI agent designed to free teams to focus on high-level strategy instead of manual processes by automating office work for transportation and logistics organizations. Arc Agent connects directly to existing transportation management systems and third-party applications like Gmail and Outlook to securely extract and validate data from unstructured channels such as emails, PDFs, and spreadsheets. Arc Agent helps address an organization's challenges through simple natural language by combining a catalog of ready-to-use skills with custom skill-building capabilities. Users can adapt existing skills to fit their operational needs or build entirely new ones via a conversational interface. No engineering resources required. Arc Agent is built with core agentic safety features to minimize AI hallucinations and with enterprise-grade AI guardrails and human-in-the-loop controls to ensure AI-driven decisions are explainable, auditable, and supportable. Queclink Wireless Solutions, a global provider of IoT devices and hardware, has launched a rechargeable, installation-free tracker designed for freight and logistics applications. The compact GL330MG device remains in an ultra-low power state while still allowing an IoT platform to request a location or send a remote command when needed. This optimized power management is combined with a 2600 mAh rechargeable battery to provide up to 1,500 hours of online on-demand operation and a 10-minute reporting schedule. The device supports BLE 5.2 and Wi-Fi scanning for reliable location visibility across more operating conditions, including obstructed settings. Netradyne has expanded its advanced physical AI and edge computing platform, Netradyne Intelligence, with 2 new capabilities designed to move fleet AI beyond insights and into action. The collision management agent automates much of the workflow that begins after a potential collision is detected. Fleets can define their own triggers, severity thresholds, evidence requirements, and escalation paths, and the agent can automatically assemble relevant video, first notice of loss information, trip timelines, driver history, and other context into a shareable incident record, which is then sent to the appropriate stakeholders and tracked for follow-up. The new MCP connector takes a different approach, securely bringing authorized fleets' Netradyne intelligence data into AI tools they already use, including ChatGPT and Claude. This enables fleet teams to ask natural language questions about driver performance, emerging safety risks, or fuel efficiency, or build recurring AI workflows using their own fleet context rather than manually exporting and feeding data into those tools. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.